There's like 7 bluebirds over here. This is one of my favorite places here. Good morning. We are at a new park today. Gonna do some bird photography if we can find any birds. Looks like we have a bald eagle here. Look. Hairy woodpecker. I think he's at the very top of that tree. I think it's about 25 degrees right now. I think I see a swan. Looks like some mute swans over there. Yep. 4 mute swans with our hawk. Northern harrier. Eastern bluebird over there. Oh, there's another one. All right, let's get over on that trail. American tree sparrow. There's like 7 bluebirds over here. And they all flew away. Yeah, plenty of tree sparrows. And I think they're just goldfinches. This is one of my favorite places here. It's a photography blind. It's a tad bit short. Yeah, gives you a great view of the marsh. We can keep going though, because there is no birds. Sparrow up ahead. American tree sparrow. What a surprise. Song sparrow. That's actually not too common this time of year. There he goes. American tree sparrow. Wow. Clouds are starting to go away. It was supposed to be a perfectly clear morning today, but nope. Well, that will be all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one.